Vapors. My name is Oliver Muller, and I present to you the Raptor Mod. It's an all 304 stainless, fully mechanical telescopic mod based on the two-piece minimalist design, meaning there are no more end caps on both ends, and the need for a positive contact pin has been eliminated completely. But don't be fooled by its simplicity, because in its simplicity lies its power. And as far as fully mechanical mod goes, conductivity and efficient design is everything. There are a few aspects of this mod that sets itself apart from other units. The one-jump, telescopic, pinless, and fine thread features of this mod greatly improves conductivity, minimizes energy loss, the voltage drop we vapors refer to, and minimizes specific unit resistance. What is specific unit resistance? It is a phenomena that causes our units to accumulate heat while operating. Should you decide to purchase this mod, you must first make sure that your atomizer complies with the system. So how do you figure that out? You remove your atomizer from your current mod and see to it that a substantial amount of protrusion exists on the bottom part. This is basically the center post. Now, if so, simply install your atomizer to the Raptor and it will essentially conduct electricity from the positive end of your battery directly to the center post, eliminating one jump from the positive pin. Congratulations, your atomizer complies with this system. Given its telescopic nature, the Raptor works with 4 basic battery configurations. These are the stock 18350s for your high voltage setup, the 18650, the 18490, and the compact 18350. Now, if you may notice, it is also equipped with a removable outer sleeve for the full compression of your 18350 battery configuration. Now let's get to the assembly part of this review. Take the bottom part of the body and install the locking mechanism at the base. This has been reverse threaded so that you won't have to worry about your firing button falling off when engaging and disengaging the lock mechanism. Next is the copper firing pin. It has been built to have the same diameter as the base or the negative side of our batteries. Let's install. Okay. I would like to take this opportunity to show you how precision machining has snugly fit that firing pin inside the firing pin slot. Now next is the spring. Okay. And the firing button has also been snugly fit into the slot. Just have to install it right there. Snug, and that is also really snug. This guarantees operational reliability and facilitates better electrical flow. So we'll simply insert our removable outer sleeve. One tip I can show you is for you to be able to install it quickly, all you need to do is roll it off your arm. There. Same goes for the upper part of the body. So all we need to do is install our 18490 battery. This is my choice. Okay. And we thread in the upper part. So we just roll it off. roll it off. Okay, we're almost there. So we install our sample atomizer. And there it is. So, moment of truth. Alright. I just need to give. So one thing I'd like to show, unique to the 18490 configuration, is that the bottom sleeve may be retracted to meet the upper portion of the unit. Right there. And when you lock it in place, it gives you that solid feel to the mod, apart from the fact that it substantially improves the overall performance of the unit. Kinda gives you a better perspective on the much belittled 18490 configuration. See, right there. Oh, that's why it wasn't firing properly earlier. The lock mechanism was not disengaged completely. Okay, one more. Right there. Right. Turn off the light. Right there. That's just solid, all unadulterated, fully mechanical power. Right. Now we are going to do a short performance test on the Raptor to find out how well it is going to do when it is put up against my all silver pin, fully upgraded, top of the line mechanical mod. Now, with due respect to the manufacturers, I've decided to conceal it with aluminum foil. Now let's begin the test. We will be using an 8-loop 0.32 Cantal microcoil made from a 2.5mm drill bit. So I prefer this build because it most of the time yields 1 to 1.2 ohms of resistance. So here, let's check. That is 3.30 volts of electricity. So let me just remove the battery. Let me write that down. 3.30 volts. Okay. Now for us to be able to establish a baseline, we must also know the voltage of our battery. So that is 4.17 volts of electricity. 4.18, give or take. Now we'll be installing the battery on the Raptor mod. And I will also be removing the atomizer from this mod. Okay. The Raptor is now reading 3.91 volts of electricity. Volts. Let's write that down. Now, it's simple mathematics. Our current battery has 4.17 volts of electricity. So 4.17 subtracted from the voltage drop of mod X, which is 3.30, that gives us a total voltage drop of 0.87 volts. Now cross-referenced from the voltage drop of Raptor, so that is 4.17 less 3.91 volts of electricity, that is a very meager 0.26 volts of electricity. So now we have a mathematical basis on how we can for sure confirm that efficient design will always be factor on the conduction of electricity and the facilitation of better electrical flow. Now we have a mathematical basis on how the Raptor mod is superior by comparison to other units. You may also perform these tests yourselves because there is no real standard way of testing for the voltage drop, because readings may vary with three things: the type of atomizer you're using, the type of build you're using, and the type of battery that you're using. However, you can always test by comparison from one unit, such as the Raptor, to another unit. The Raptor has been designed by Mullertech, yours truly, fairly priced, and readily available in the market right away. Again, this is Oliver Muller. Thank you for watching.